One of my goals of 2024 is to release more YouTube videos. So, in this first video of the year, I'm going to show how I'm adding a YouTube banner to my articles to show that there's a video that goes along with an article, or if people don't want to read the article, they can watch the video instead. So to get started, I'm going to start with the front-end design. I'm going to add a red notification banner here that says this article also comes in video format. I'm going to open the post.edge file here that actually renders out all of the article. And to begin with, I think it should go here. Let's just add a comment here that says YouTube notification, or YouTube banner actually. And this will be a div with class py2, bx3, BG red. I'm going to say 600, looks more like YouTube's brand. Text white, and I'll say font bold as well. And I will also do some flex stuff. So inside here, I'm going to have another div and then an anchor tag, which will go off to youtube.com, like so. And then here, I'll put, what would be a good click through? I guess something like, fancy watching. Oh, there we go. GitHub Copilot to the rescue. And here, I guess I could just put click me for now. I can always replace that with an icon. Now, if I refresh that, we see it now pop up here. It's not exactly how I envisioned it, so if we go back here, we want to justify it between there and also rounded LG. Also, let's put a darker red border on it as well. If we refresh, it's getting there, but the rounded didn't work. That's because I spelled it wrong. Perfect. This is looking better now. So if I also add in, just want some margin at the top to separate it from this border here. So fancy watching me code this project, check out the video below. So firstly, I guess I'll change that. And I wonder if I could do a gradient instead. So to bottom right from, and then to red 800. I think that's how tailwind gradients work. Yeah, okay, this looks a lot better. Okay, and then when I think what I'll do is if I look for a YouTube icon, and I just want one that I can copy and paste. Let's see if Table Icons has one. There, I'll copy, not the kids one, I'll have this one. Copy the SVG. Put it in there like that. If I refresh this, I guess, actually let's go with the solid one, because the solid one looks a bit better against a red background. And instead, I'm going to put this here with a span here for now. Class space x4 to give them some spacing between. And then I want an arrow right. Or maybe even like there's like an external link maybe. I guess I'll use this one. Now if I go back here and refresh, this doesn't look amazing yet, so we'll do flex. And we'll do item center as well, just in case. There we go. Now we've got fancy watch me code this project. Click the button, and it takes us to YouTube. Now the other thing we can do there is on this anchor tag, tag it blank so it opens in a new tab. And I guess I could actually make the entire thing an anchor. It's not amazing to do that, but I think I'm missing an anchor tag here. No. So that's going to make it look a bit weird for now, but I can fix that with block, I think. Anchor tag. I guess if I did that as well. Flex, item, center, justify, between, and I can take that off from here then. Like so, refresh, perfect. So now when you click on it, it'll take them to YouTube. Awesome, now there's some back-end work to do here as well. So this is how I actually create my articles on my website. I built a really rudimentary dashboard and I can create new posts and also edit the existing ones. So what I want to do is I want to add some sort of input field here that says YouTube video. It'll be an optional field and then it will save that to the database. So to do that, if I come down here to the side and go to create, I actually have this sidebar bit here, which we see here. So for this one, I'm just going to copy and paste this. It's not going to be required. I'll change this to YouTube video. I'll put YouTube video. And then I will also just quickly copy and paste this. As this is a pretty basic CMS, I haven't really optimized any of the backend, such as templates or anything. I literally just copy and paste it between files, but that's not the point here. So we now take in, actually if I go back to edit, I need to change this to, change that to YouTube, give it an ID of YouTube as well. And then the same on here. And then if I go to posts controller, I think it's in here somewhere. Yep. New post, I can put in YouTube schema.string.optional trim true. And what this is saying is basically we want to if a YouTube object or a YouTube string is passed into the backend, it's optional, it's not required or anything, so the API won't fail. And I think I also have this on update as well. No, I guess not, but I will add this in here. So YouTube equals payload.youtube. I'll add it in here as well. Now we're getting this red squiggly line because YouTube doesn't exist on our post model yet. So I'm going to open the post file here, just copy and paste this, and we'll just put in YouTube like so. I'm going to right click and close all because I don't need any of them now. And I'm going to do node is make migration, and I believe it's posts. We'll click into this. Let's get rid of all that. Change this to a string. We'll say this is nullable. And we change this to alter table, so that it's only running an alter migration, not a create table. And then finally I can do node is migration run. Hopefully this will go through. Perfect. So if I go to posts model, we've got that in there. If we go to post controller, we no longer have this red squiggly line. I guess we could put that. We'll leave it as that for now. So if I go to an existing post, let's go published, releasing this one. We see we've got our YouTube video field here. We just quickly do. Let's take an absolute classic YouTube video, paste it in there, and save post. It currently doesn't appear on the back end, but that's okay. Now, we'll go back to the post.edge file that we're working on, go to our YouTube banner here, and to show this, I want to put if post.youtube, like so, and then in here, where's the anchor tag? In here, I want to put handlebars post.youtube. Let's refresh the page. Fancy watching me code this project. Perfect. And just like that, I've added a YouTube video to any article that I want. I hope to make more of these videos during the year. I've got a long list of articles. This is my demo one. There we go. I've got a long list of articles that I can go back through and make videos on. And this is just a quick way to drive some more traffic to those videos. So if you've liked the video, be sure to like and subscribe, share it on Twitter, leave feedback down below, and I'll see you in the next one.